Good morning, my dear students of 6th class. This is your math session. My dear students, I have taught you 3 chapters: knowing our numbers, whole numbers, and basic geometrical ideas. I hope you had clear all the concepts of these chapters. Now, this video is based on revision assignment of chapter 1st. In this chapter, you already learn about numbers, Indian and international systems of numeration, comparison of numbers, estimation and Roman numerals. Once again, I remind you, Indian and international system of numeration, estimation and Roman numerals. I know you know very well what is numbers and how can we compare of numbers. Okay students, let's see. Here you can see Indian place value chart. This is called a periods and these are places. And now what are periods? Ones or units. Same means after then we move left to right. Once after thousand, then lakhs, then crores, and after then Arabs. Here you can see ones period has 3 places: ones, tens and hundred, and thousand has 2 places: thousand and 10,000. Similarly, lakh, crore and Arab have 2 places each: lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, Arab, 10 Arab. Right? Now, we use comma for separate the periods with the help of reading and writing large number. Now, you can see how can we write in numbers in place value chart. Here you can see, draw Indian place value chart. The number is 95,000. 95,000 means 9 is 10,000 place, 5 is 1000 place. After then 276. 276. Here you can easily write 9. Place value of 9 is 10,000. 5 is 1000 place, 200 place and 7 tens place, 6 is unit place. You can easily write like this: 95,276. Okay students, now you can see how can we write number in place value chart, Indian place value chart. First last digit is 3, तो write 3 in ones place. बैक से आप डिजिट राइट करना स्टार्ट कर दो: 3, 4, 5, 4, 3 and 7. Now you can easily write 7,34,543. Okay students, now come to international place value chart. Now you can see Indian place value chart. Here you can see periods, ones, thousand, millions and billions. Places, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 10,000 after 10,000 is international system में 100,000. Similarly, millions, 10,000 and 100 millions. Billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. Here you can see ones period has also 3 places, thousand has also 3 places, million has also 3 places and billion has also 3 places. Right? Now how can we write in according to international place value chart. Here you can see, firstly draw place value chart of international system: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. Because 9 million, we need only millions. 9 million 800 800 8,000. It means 10,000 term is missing, so we write here is 0. 8,000, last number is 7, so tens and 100 term is also missing, also we write here is 0. Okay students, now come to next topic, estimation. Now how can we round off nearest tens, nearest 100 and nearest 1000? Here you can see round off 3128 to the nearest tens. Nearest tens, so here tens number is 2, so we take 3 last digits, 100 place value and 1000 place value will be same, so 3120 and 3130, right? 20 or 30 between number is 25, so we round off 3128, 28, 26, 27, 28, so 3128 near about is nearer to 3120 or 3130, you can see here 3130, so 3128 is round off to 3130. Similarly, round to nearest 100, the number 7642. अब 100 number is ones, tens, 106, so ones and tens number becomes 0 and 1000 number is same, so 7600 and last is 7700. In between 600 or 700 between 650, right? Now number is 7642. You can see here 7642 is near about to 7600, right students? Similarly nearer to 1000. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000, so 9, right? Last digit become 0 and 10,000 number will be same, 59,000 and last is 16,000. In between number is 59,500. Now we round off to 59,326. You can see here 59,326 is nearer to 59,000. That's his answer. Okay students, I hope you had clear these concepts. Now come to Roman number. Yes students, all roll numbers are formed by writing the 7 letters I, V, X, L, C, D and M in different combination following certain rules. First is, if a symbol is repeated, the number represented by them in their sum. If sum is repeated, here you can see, if sum is repeated, then the number represent their sum. Second is, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, right to the symbol smaller value is written to the right of greater value, the value is resulting numeral is equal to the sum of symbol. Okay students, similarly if a symbol is smaller value is written to the left, then the resulting is equal to the difference. Next, if smaller numeral is placed between two large numeral, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral on its right. Right? Remember, no Roman numeral is repeated more than thrice. V, L and D are never repeated. V, L, D are never written to the left of a numeral of greater value. I can be subtracted from V and X only. I hope you had clear all the concepts of this chapter. Now you can easily solve the assignment. When you solve this assignment, you should follow some instructions. Do this assignment and activity in your fair notebook. Your work should be neat and clean. Revise chapter first to solve this assignment. Now, firstly is MCQs. Here you can see you have 5 MCQs. Second is fill-ups. Third is write the number according to Indian system. Write the number according to international system. Then write in numeral forms. After then estimation the sum. After then Roman numeral for each of the following. Then write in Hindu Arabic numerals and estimation the sum, and last is round off to the nearest 100. Okay students.